If you have clicked on this video, you might be wondering, how do I build my personal brand using social media? And so in this video, I will show you 5 types of posts that you can use on your social media platforms to grow your personal brand. And I will also show you some personal examples so you can take inspiration from my own posts and create your own. Now, having a strong presence on social media is crucial, especially if your business depends on your image and your personality. And one of the fastest ways to see results and scale your brand is by posting relevant content on these platforms. And these 5 types of posts are an excellent way to get your brand more attention. But first, hi, I'm Filipa Canelas and I help your personal brand and business scale through content marketing. After all, that's how I did it myself. And in this channel, I talk about marketing and branding, so make sure you subscribe to the channel below. And so if you're interested in building a strong, relevant, and meaningful brand, make sure you continue watching the video. Let's start with educational posts. Educational posts are not just helpful for your audience and the people who are learning with you. They are also helpful for you to show your expertise and to make sure you stand out in your industry. So this is a really great type of post to establish yourself as an expert while helping your audience. And so if you're tackling the personal finances niche, you can create content about how you manage your finances, how people can pay their student debt, and so on. And so the key is sharing your expertise and insights in the most relatable way. And here is an example of a post I've created on Instagram to educate my audience. In this post, I help my audience start publishing content online by following the content wheel strategy, which is a strategy I invented myself. And if you consume educational content online, tell me which is your favorite platform to do so in the comments below. The second type of post is sharing something personal. This is a great way to build your online presence on social media. And this type of post helps you create a stronger connection with your audience because you're being honest about your journey and about who you are. And obviously, this doesn't have to be a vulnerable post where you share all of your insecurities. You can simply share a happy memory from your childhood or your journey to becoming where you are at the moment. And honestly, sharing a more personal side of you is a great way to build stronger connections with your audience. And here's an example of a post I created on LinkedIn sharing my struggle with starting a YouTube channel. Now, moving on to the third type of post, we are now talking about sales-oriented content. And yes, selling something with a post is still a part of your personal brand. And the best part is that you can still be who you are and use the most creative ways to sell something without being pushy. Seriously, you still want to keep the focus on your audience, their problems, and how you can help them. And it's totally okay to be personal on these types of posts too. And remember that you're not forcing your audience to buy from you. You're providing them a service or a product and they can choose to do so. Plus, sales posts are a great way to show your audience exactly what you do and how you can help them. So don't run away from sales posts because they are still a part of your brand. And so here's an example of a sales-oriented post I've created on LinkedIn. And as you can see, I still chose to solve a problem for my audience before going to the sales. I literally resonated with their pain points, I gave them a quick solution and expanded to a more proper offer. The fourth type of posts are funny and relatable posts. You don't want to be boring and serious all the time, so it's very important that sometimes you bring some goofiness to your own social media profiles. This will help you get more attention and also to show more of your personality, because these kinds of posts are much funnier, they are relatable, and will make people engage in a very different way. And a bonus point is that these types of posts usually do very well on social media. Obviously, try not to overdo that unless you want to be seen as a comedian. And this is an example of an IG story that I posted, which is basically a content marketing meme. The final type of post is curating great content. Obviously, you want to make sure you are creating most of the content content yourself. But curating content is a great way to get some additional eyeballs on your content. This also makes your personal brand more trustworthy and relatable. Plus, people really love to see content that curates experts in their industry. So save yourself some time and effort now and then and curate content from great creators and experts in your niche. And here's an example of an IG post I created featuring the top advice of marketing experts. And yes, I literally talked with these people and asked them to share a marketing insight. So I'm basically curating high quality content for my audience, and I didn't have to come up with anything myself. And now with these 5 types of posts, you are ready to build and scale your personal brand on social media. And if you want to build your personal brand using LinkedIn, I've created a checklist with my best advice for thriving with your personal brand on LinkedIn. So make sure you check the link in the description. And finally, watch this video here if you want more ideas for pieces of content for your social media profiles. And remember, personal and relatable are gold pieces of content on social media. But a few sales-oriented posts can't hurt either. Thank you, and I see you in other videos.